I was a small child, like a little child, had a very horrific experience with a dentist who was like mean, like strapped me down and did all this stuff to my teeth. And so then I just never went back because it was so scary. And then I had been in a car wreck when I was probably 12 or 13 and had my front teeth knocked out. And basically they were just knocked in half. So they were really small. And I knew eventually I'd have to go to the dentist, but I just was afraid. And it didn't matter, you know, like through the years I'd gone, I had my wisdom teeth removed when I had to, and I've had things done that I had to have done. But it was just a horrible traumatic experience, and I'd always try to explain that I was nervous, and they would just be like, you're gonna be fine, and then I wasn't fine, and you know, freak out. But we have really good insurance here, and one of the things that we have in the insurance is, you know, cleanings and stuff like that. So I said I'd go, so I came and told them my story, and they were very gentle and very kind, and you know, I said I'd never had my teeth cleaned, and one of the gals that the hygienist was like, really? And I said, yeah, but I'm a serial flosser, so that's probably what saved me. I'm a pretty funny gal, I'll tell you that. I'm always joking, and we have a lot of friends, and we're kind of goofy and stuff, but I was looking at pictures, and my mouth is closed, or my hands over my mouth all the time. And the first time I really noticed it was like shortly after the smile makeover. It was my friend's birthday, and I did the whole, you know, hold the camera up, take the picture thing, and my mouth is open and I'm smiling, and I was just like, oh my God, I look so great. It was, you know, made a huge difference. But so just did the front teeth, and then recently talked about taking all the fillings out and making them white, and we just did that just a couple days ago. I mean, it was like I was in, and they did it, and I went home. I was fine that night. I think a lot of preconceived notions about cosmetic dental stuff is that it's going to be really expensive, or it's going to hurt a lot, or take a lot of time, and it doesn't. I mean, both procedures, I was fine at the end of the day. No pain medicine or taking time off from work or anything like that. So I think, you know, people should come and see, because it's also very affordable. I thought it was kind of something that only the select few could have, but it's not. I mean, it's very affordable. And one of the funniest things that the doctor said to me after I had my front teeth done was, I said, well, can I still like eat like corn on the cob or carameled apples or something? And he said, well, it's kind of like running in heels. You know you can do it, but do you need to?